Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore the concept of tokenism, a practice that can undermine genuine efforts towards diversity and inclusion. Understanding tokenism is crucial because it helps us distinguish between superficial symbolism and meaningful structural change. So, according to sociologist Rosabeth Moss-Cantor, tokenism is defined as the practice of making only a symbolic effort towards inclusivity. The key problem is that it is done without ever addressing the underlying systematic inequalities within an organization or society. In essence, it is a performance designed to give an appearance of fairness and equality without the substance to back it up. So let's talk about the characteristics. The first characteristic is superficial inclusion, where people are physically present in the room but completely lack of any influence or power. This lead to a state of representation without empowerment, where individuals are showcased as proof of diversity but are not granted any actual authority. Furthermore, tokenized individuals frequently face intense stereotyping and the pressure to present their entire group, which is an unfair and heavy burden to carry. Finally, isolation, where token individuals are often highly visible but are systematically excluded from the real decision making process. So, here are some examples where, in corporate settings, a common example is hiring a single woman or person from a minority background and then consistently showcasing them in promotional material. For another example, in universities, tokenism can look like promoting a few international students in brochures while ignoring the systematic barriers they face in the classroom and on campuses. So, likewise, in politics, we see it when parties nominate just one candidate from a marginalized community to signal diversity without committing to any substantive policy changes that would help that community. So, so why is tokenism a problem? So, tokenism is fake inclusion. First and foremost, tokenism undermines individuals by placing them under a spotlight and forcing them to deal with added pressure and stereotyping. It creates a false sense of diversity, allowing organizations to appear inclusive while all the systematic barriers and biases remain completely unchanged. Most critically, tokenism limits real progress because it shifts the focus away from structural change and onto symbolic gestures that do not solve the root problems. So, in conclusion, tokenism is a harmful practice that prioritizes optics over tangible outcomes. By recognizing it, we can move beyond the symbolic gestures and start demanding the genuine inclusivity and empowerment that everyone deserves.